Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the fifth chapter, materials and things. Fifth chapter, and things. In this, today we will discuss about the what we have learnt. We completed this chapter, but we will discuss about the what we have learnt. Just we will do recap. Okay, children. Here, objects around us, they are made up of variety of materials. You know this one. Based upon these properties, there are different materials for which are used for different purposes, that is for different usage. Suppose for example some materials, just as glass, they are transparent. Just you see here some material like glass, how they are transparent, we can see. Okay, some materials such as wood, if you are seeing the wood, how they are wood, they are opaque. Opaque means which we are not able to see. Suppose this blackboard is there, out this is blackboard, we can say it as opaque. Why? Means we are not able to see that side. Okay, like that. Here wood is example of opaque. O-P-A-Q-U-E, opaque. Okay, if you are seeing the material like oily paper, they are translucent, we can say. Oily paper. If paper, plain paper, if we are applying the oil, that paper we are calling it as the oily paper. Oily paper, we can say it as it is translucent. We are saying it as the translucent. That means we are not able to see it clearly. Suppose bulb is there, if we are adding the oily paper, we can see the bulb, but we are not able to see the bulb clearly. Okay, that is we can say it as the translucent. This is very important, children. Glass transparent, we can see. Wood opaque, we are not able to see. Oil paper translucent, we can see but not clearly. This you keep it in mind, very very important. Okay, already you know that materials, they are existing, they are present in three important states. What are they? Solids, liquids and gases. This is also important, you have to keep it in mind. Some materials, they are sinking in the water. Sinking means going inside the water. And some materials, they are floating on the water. Floating means upon side, upon the water only they are staying. If you are making them dip into water also, they won't dip, they won't go inside. They float only. They float on water. If you are seeing some materials, they are soluble in water. Soluble means they will be dissolving in water. And some materials, they are insoluble in water. Insoluble means they are not at all soluble in water. They remain like that only if you are keeping in water. Suppose stone is there, if you are dipping in water, will it be soluble in water? It won't soluble. It is insoluble in water, we can say. Here materials, they are grouped together on the basis of similarities, that is similarities, same, we can say, same properties, and differences in their properties. We can group the materials based upon the similarities and based upon the differences. We can group the materials. Okay, children, this is about our Fifth chapter, materials and things. Important points also we discussed. Now we will discuss about the worksheet. That is question and answers we will discuss, children. Okay. What is coming to the first question? What is the first question here? Name any 5 objects which are made up of only one material. You have to write only 5 objects. They are made up of only one material. What are that one? Just you can see. First is the pot. P-O-T, pot. It is made up of what? Which material? Clay. You know this one. Next one is a towel. Towel is made up of what? Cotton. Third is the water bottle. It is made up of what? You know. This is made up of plastic. Nowadays we are having glass water bottles also. But many of them are using the plastic water bottles. So don't use this here. Next coming to the glass jar. Fourth one, glass jar. It is made up of glass. The name itself is there, glass jar. It is made up of glass only, glass material only. Coming to the next fifth one, steel glass. It is made up of metal. Okay, these are the 5 objects which are made up of only one material only. Second question, what is second question here, children? Name any 5 objects which are made up of more than 2 materials. The first question they asked only one material. The second question they asked more than 2 materials. You have to write it. Which 2 materials you have to write it. Here first one, bicycle. Bicycle, it is made up of iron. Some bicycles are made up of iron. Some bicycles are made up of plastic. In the bicycle you are having bicycle, you have to say. Okay, bicycle. It is having iron material and also plastic material. 2 materials it is having. Okay, one is the iron, one part is the plastic it is having. Next coming to the second one, bag. It is made up of plastic and also it is made up of iron jib. Next third one, knife. Knife is made up of which materials? 2 materials, iron and also wood or plastic. That is handle, you can say. Okay, coming to the pen which you are writing. This pen is made up of plastic and also iron. Door, if you are seeing the door, it is made up of wood, it is made up of iron. Okay, this is the second question, children, answers. Next coming to the third question. What is the third question here? List 5 things which can make using each of the following materials. You have to list out these 5 things they gave for you here, which can make using each of the following materials. You have to write it here. A is the glass, B metal, C plastic, D wood. One thing you have to write this one. In this A, third one A. 5 things made of glass you have to write it. A given for you question is the glass. That is you have to write the answer as the 5 things made of glass. Which are the 5 things made up of glass, you have to write it. They are first one. Very easy and simple, children. Okay. Drinking glass, you know which you are drinking. That is made up of glass only. And next one, glass bowl. Glass paper weight. Okay, glass paper weight also is made up of glass only. Glass jar, it is made up of glass only. Glass beaker, made up of glass. Round bottomed glass flask. Round bottomed glass flask. It is also made up of glass only. The name itself is there, glass. It is made up of glass. Next coming to the B1. 5 things made up of metal, you have to write it, children. Which are the 5 things made up of metal only? They are, first one, metal meter scale. Which one? Metal meter scale. You are having the meter scale, no? That is made up of metal only. Second one, metal box. Box will be there, metal, which is made up of metal. Third one is metal sheet. Sheet will be there. That is made up of metal only. Metal cauldron will be there. That is also made up of metal only. Metal pan will be there. It is also made up of metal only. The name itself is there, made up of metal. Okay, children. Next, coming to the C. What is the C question here? Plastic. That is 5 things made of plastic. You have to write it. First one, plastic chair. The name itself is there. Plastic chair made up of plastic. Second, plastic comb. Plastic comb, it is made up of what? Plastic only, comb. Plastic bottle made up of plastic. Plastic cup made up of plastic. Plastic bags made up of plastic. Plastic dish, dishes you are having in the kitchen, that is also made up of plastic only. Okay, nowadays you are having steel dishes also, children, but both are there. Plastic dish, they are made up of only plastic. Steel dish, they are made up of only steel. Okay. Next, D question. 5 things made up of wood. You have to write it. Wood. You have to read the question properly so that you can understand it easily. Wood, you have to write it. Wood is, you know this one, simple. First one is wooden chairs. In the name itself is there, made up of wood. Wooden chairs. Second is the wooden doors, made up of wood, doors. Wooden tables, made up of wood only. Wooden almirah is also made up of wood only. Wooden sheet, it is also made up of wood only. Wooden cot, which you are sleeping, it is also made up of wood only. Wooden cupboard, cupboards you are having, racks, that is also made up of wood only. In bedrooms you are having cupboards, wooden cupboards. Kitchen also you are having cupboards. Okay, children, that is also made up of wood only. These are the A, B, C, D, which are made up of different materials. You have to write 5 things. Okay, children. Next, coming to the 4th question. What is the 4th question here? Mary saw a ship traveling on a sea. Mary, she is a girl name. Her name is Mary. She saw it is a ship. That ship is traveling on a sea. Ship, generally they are traveling on a sea. They are not traveling on the road, Okay, she knows that iron nails sink in water. Iron nails, what they are? They are sinking in water. Okay, children. Here, she has many doubts. What are her doubts? You have to think and you have to write. Okay, children. This is according to your imagination. You have to think it. Which doubts she is having. Okay, now we are not having classrooms in the school. That's why I will tell you the answers, children. Actually, you have to say one by one. You have to say what are the doubts that Mary girl she is having. That is for answer. First one. Why is the ship not sinking in the water? Though it is made up of iron. Iron is sinking in water, no? But why the ship is not sinking in water? Even though the ship is made up of iron, maybe she is having that doubt in her mind. Next, does iron float in salty water? She is having other doubt also. Does the iron is floating in the salty water also? Next, third one. Why did such a huge body like ship? Ship is so much big, huge means big. Body like ship, not sink in sea. Why it is not sinking in sea? Why it is not sinking means going under the water, going into the water. She is having that doubt. Maybe she is having that doubt. Next one. What is the secret of ships floating in the sea? What is the secret behind it one? Why the ships are floating in the sea? Why they are not sinking deep? Why they are floating on the water only? So maybe she is having that doubt. Next one. Next fifth one. fifth point. What is the science behind this floating? Whether any science is there behind this floating? Why it is floating like that? Maybe she is having that doubts. Okay, children, you have to write this. Okay, according to the Mary, what she is having the doubt in her mind. You have to think of yourself and you have to write the points, children. Okay. Next, fifth question. Okay. This fifth question we will discuss in the next class, children. Okay. Here, the homework for you is, today's homework for you is, write 1, 2, 3, 4 questions in your notebook. Neatly you write, and A, B, C, D are also there for some questions, that also you write. Okay, children, you write and send me the pic, children. Okay, bye for today's class.